Fuck.
Excuse me?
What?
This is my home.
Forget about it.
This is my home.
This is my home too.
No, it isn't.
This
This is
is
not your home. This is my home.
Yes, it is.
This
This
is my home.
No! God! Get the fuck away!
What are you doing?
I saw you put that paper on the ground.
This is my house.
Respect the earth
This is
and
my
I'll get
house.
out. Respect the earth and I'll get out.
This is my
Will you
house.
promise to respect the earth?
Fuck Earth, man. No, this is my house. What are you doing in my house?
What about
Get
God?
out.
You like God?
No, I don't like it either.
Yeah, you're just a dumb crackhead, you crackhead. Jesus! All you have to do is go right out there and pick up the damn paper.
Shut up.
Okay.
Shut up. I love you, dear.
Wanna show my hair? Okay. Okay, alright. Okay, I'll get out.